Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save your own custom theme in Simplebooklet. This lets you apply your branding, like your background, page flip style, navigation layout, and buttons, across all your booklets with just one click. It's the fastest way to keep your content consistent and professional. So we're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard. And we're going to select the booklet that we want to customize. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. Before you can save a theme, you'll need to set up the design elements you want included. This can include your navbar layout. So we can go ahead and choose the candy bar option there. Your page flip buttons, which you can customize right here. Your page flip sound. As well as the background for your booklet. Let's go ahead and pick this one right here. So yeah, just take a moment to set these up the way you want them to appear in every booklet. And then from here, we're going to go over to the left-hand toolbar and click on the presentation button. Then we are going to click the pencil icon next to themes. And we have all of our things in place, so we can go to save your own theme right here. You can go ahead and give your theme a name. Let's just do theme number 2. And then click Save. As you can see, it's creating a new theme layout for us. Give you a little confirmation here, just letting you know it's been created. And then if you want to apply it to any of your other simple booklets, you would go back to the presentation button, click on Themes, and then it will show up in the My Theme section right here. So you can just pick them directly from there. And then we also have our pre-built themes there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Saving your own theme enhances the awareness and attention stages of your reader's journey by creating a consistent brand experience. A familiar and professional look helps build trust and keeps your audience engaged as they move through your content. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.